Ready to feel utterly calm? Follow this ancient meditation technique and transform your day. First, sit comfortably. Breathe deeply in and out, inhaling and exhaling to a count of 5. No gaps in between. This deep, slow breathing boosts your pranic energy, centering and aligning you. After 5 to 10 minutes, sit quietly and just watch your thoughts. Don't control them. Simply observe. As thoughts pass by, say, I am not this thought. This is the Nedi technique. Now, mentally chant so as you inhale and ham as you exhale. Stay here for about 10 minutes. Finally, visualize a white light pouring into you from above. Chant the mantra Arut Param Jyoti. Feel the light fill every cell in your body. And with a moment of gratitude, you've just tapped into ancient wisdom for modern peace.